3 remodeling projects that I would recommend. Hi, I'm Doug Panozzo, Director of Operations with Hogan Design and Construction, your trusted guide to home remodeling. Project number 1, adding easy square footage. So whether you're finishing your basement or doing an attic build out, but not touching the exterior of the home, makes it significantly less expensive, but adds square footage to your house. Project number 2, kitchen remodel. Doing a kitchen remodel is an awesome project. You get to change the layout and make it your own. It's the center of your home and where you spend a lot of your time entertaining guests. So kitchen remodel will be number 2. Project number 3, master bathroom. Doing a master bathroom remodel is a lot of fun because you get to make it your own and you spend a lot of time in there every single day. It also is going to be your refuge when it's all said and done. So doing a cool master bathroom and making it all your own is the way to go. If you have any questions or if you'd like more information, come visit us at hccbuild.com.